Degree mapping, and what you need to know to register for future semesters. First thing you need to do is find the degree maps on the portal. Remember, the portal can change, so you have to use Scan Your Window and click and play. At the time of this video recording, you can find your degree map by left-clicking on the Links link. Always remember to scan your window from left to right, top to bottom, and click and play on all links. As you will see on the links page, there is a category called Degree Maps. For today's purposes, I'm going to choose Criminal Justice. On this page, you'll find degree maps for 3 different degrees: Criminal Justice, Associate in Science, Criminal Justice, Bachelor of Science, and the degree map for Paralegal Studies, which is an Associate in Applied Science. I'm going to use the example Criminal Justice, Associate in Science for this tutorial, but make sure you have the appropriate degree map. Let's cover some of the areas of concern. You're going to click on the appropriate cell to put in a student name, and I prefer you type in your information in an electronic spreadsheet rather than just print out and handwrite on the document. There will be degree maps that are created in a PDF. In that case, you should download, save, and print out that document and then handwrite on it. Let's go to the next area that you should be concerned with, the advisor cell. You should know your advisor. You can find that on the portal as well. You don't need a student ID. You should put in today's date or the date you've worked on your degree map. Let's cover the categories. Developmental courses are for students who scored low on entrance exams. It is non-credit bearing, so you do not receive credit. Let's look at the 2 columns representing course codes. Column A are course codes that are outdated. Column B are course codes that are up to date. You should know your course codes, so when you register in future semesters, you put down the appropriate course you would like to take. In your liberal arts courses, for this example, Criminal Justice, Associate in Science, you'll notice that you have all of your liberal arts courses mapped out for you. But be conscious of courses that are considered prereqs. Those courses you'll have to take first before you can advance on. Also on this degree map, there is a technology course requirement, a number of required courses in your major, which is criminal justice. And again, there are prereqs. And you should take your prereqs as soon as possible so it won't hold up your pursuit of your degree. When we go to the bottom of this degree map, you'll see electives. Electives that are specific to criminal justice is 6 credits. Liberal arts, there's 1 course for that elective. Those are areas such as humanity, English, math, sciences, sociology, psychology, languages, and communication. Free electives, you can take any course that we offer here at Briarcliffe College that is credit bearing. It's your choice. And finally, Career Services elective is no longer in existence. That used to be our version of a career service workshop. In column E, where you see substitutions and comments, you should insert the semester that you've taken any given course and semesters that you intend to take courses in the future. In column D, you should put in any transfer credit courses that you received for equivalent courses here at Briarcliffe College, representing it by the letters TC. Also in column D, when you take a course and complete it successfully, you should update your degree map with the grade you earned in that particular course. This way you can monitor your progress on your degree map as well. Once you've completed all of the cells that have information that is necessary for you to stay on point and graduate in the time that you have prescribed, you should save this file in 3 different locations, and that's your backup rule. It's a system for success. In addition, you should print out a copy, so when you meet with your advisor for registration for future semesters, you'll have this document or spreadsheet readily available for you. Remember, if you're using a PDF, you probably won't be able to edit that document, so you will have to print it out and write the information in. Once you've completed your degree map, return to your portal page. Place your mouse pointer on classes. Remember, this can change in the future. Without clicking, a menu will drop down. And now you want to look at course offerings. Left-click 1 time, and the page will appear. Once on the course offerings page, scan your window left to right, top to bottom, and click on the drop-down arrow for the select term We're going to pick the full session, which is a day schedule, and it's a 16-week semester. For the course code, you can click on Submit with a blank course code, and you'll see every course running in that session. For today's purposes, I'm going to choose the letters SE. So when I click on Submit, only courses with the course code SE in it will come up. This way I can isolate my information for exactly what I want. There is a wealth of information on this page, starting with the course code, the course name, the section, which is very important. This section code will determine what campus you're on. It'll determine whether or not you're taking an online course, and it will also determine whether or not you're going to night sessions, which is broken up into 8 weeks, session 1 and session 2. You'll see the instructor's name teaching the course, the max seats available, the seats that are taken, the start and end date, and the time the course will run. If you're going to take a night course or an online course which runs on an 8-week session, you need to choose in the Select Term drop-down dialog box Session 1 or Session 2. As a Briarcliffe College student, you're allowed to take courses day, night, or online. There are some stipulations for taking online courses, so speak with your advisor if you would like to be an online student. Now we turn to the degree map assignment on the student portal. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where the assignment materials are. We're going to left-click on the fall or spring semester scheduling grid to open up that Excel spreadsheet. You should fill out this Excel spreadsheet as an electronic file and type your information in the appropriate boxes. Remember to left-click on Enable Editing. We use this grid to avoid scheduling conflicts for future semester registration.